Behind me. Go Ryan. Go. Go Riley. Ada Ryan. Go Riley. Kita tangguh tunjuk kita.
Ali, near.
Yeah. Well done. Kita tangguh tunjuk. Ada Ryan. Wider, yeah. Go ahead. Hey. Oh, look, enjoy your money again. Yes, look. Well done, look. Go.
Gentle reminder to all players, coaches, and supporters to continue hydrating yourselves and reapplying sunscreen throughout the game. For fixtures results and live updates, do download the GSL 7's app to stay informed throughout the game. Thank you.
Ali, get the loose ball. Get the loose ball. Get the loose ball.
Hey, macam mana? Good. Cover. Ali kaki.
Ready, follow.
Jom, Mika. Ali support. Forward. Relax. Behind. Stay wide. Ali, get ready. Ali, mas pressure. Cover. Relax. Tunggu. Now. Yes, go. Yes. Good. And done. Go to the ball, right. Takin. Entry. Good. Done. Rồi, chạy. Back post. Rồi, Maso.
Get it, ready. Find your man.
You got so much space there, you got to attack. Blocking the ball back. Come on, Andy. All right. Andy, go. Hero got it. Hey, recover. Hey, stop. Hey.
Ready, get the loose ball, go, go, go.
Right, 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 right. Move around. O'Reilly. Well done. Good job. I need that in. Hey,
Wow. Support, ready, go, go. Your ball. Control. Watch it. Hey. Mark your man, Riley. Mark. Stick to him. Go, follow him.
Down the line. You know what he's going to do, right? Space. Don't wait for the fruit to drop, huh? One player. Stop.
Get the ball, turn. Get the ball, turn.
Good fans of this.
Don't let him shoot. Go, guys, support, go. Recover. Hayden. What? I need foot of the ball. Take your man. Too close to the team. Go forward,
go, 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 go. Yes, yes, good job, man.
Good pressing. Good. Go.
Right, what did you do next? What did you do next?
Ours.
Hey, Mika, direct. Go in.
Again, Mika.
Yes. Don't miss catch us. Yes. In. Well done, Ryan. Good job, Mika. Hey, recover.
Ryan, masuk Ryan. Ryan, go.
Yes.
Ryan, start the ball.
Hey, Roy, tak apa lagi.
Yours, Don. What? Hey.
Betul-betul lah. Up, Roy. Come. Use your head now. Awas. Come back. Leave it. Look, nearer to your man.
Kat sana. Angkat dari kau. Andi.
10 minutes left.
Mika.
Since pitch 3 is not in use, team scheduled to play at 2 p.m. You may head over to pitch 3 now for your warm-up. Thank you.
Good job, Charles. Aiden. Hey.
Julius taken.
Marker.
Come on, Luke!
Hurry, guys, hurry. Play.
Go, headed. Hey, right. Ika, masuk. Ika. Okay, behind the space. Ika, go. Go, headed. Hey, come on! Go, headed! Go ahead! Go, Nasir!
Yes.
Victor! Roy! Oh, inside road! You're supposed to be out! Okay, good look. After we look.
One whistle. Ready? Loose ball. The loose ball is yours. Find space. Hey, pass in.
Right. Lepas dia. Go in. Inside. Right. Dalam.
Five minutes left to the end of this round of fixtures. For the following teams' games scheduled at 2 p.m., please make your way to wait along the pitch side. The following teams are Pitch 1, Sky SG 7 White and SMSA Weekend Red.
Recover.
Pitch 2, Singapore Football Club and PFS Selangor Malaysia. Pitch 3, Boros FC and Rising Petal Football Club. Lastly, Pitch 4, Kulai Internet Football Club and GFA Japan. Thank you. Teams playing at pitch 3, you may enter the pitch now. Thank you.
Behind him. Go. Yes.
Right in front. Go.
Okay, recover. Leave it for Hafiz to do. Go ahead. Go down. Come on, Alex. Stronger. Watch out, watch out. Out. Jangan jatuh. Follow. Rồi, tạo rồi. Ê, why you call me? Dia dah nak keluar pun. Tim dia. Tak. Wan, oi, Ika, masuk.
Ready. Bounce.
I feel you drop.
Yours. Yes.
Oi, berapa lama nak kasih bola bang? Bang, kasih bola. And then you should drop. Turn and take the ball. Just. Watch the ball. Clear the ball. Hey, come on up. Somebody shooting in that.
Hey, what, Jay?
Okay. Bola. Hey, loose ball. Drop, Afi. Yes, ball, second ball, third ball, all yours, take.
Go. Yours.
Good.
Get it. Just.
Out.
Oh my God. Hey, go.
1 minute left.
Hey, get the ball. Go.
Watch out. Behind you.
Would you just take it? It's not.
10 seconds left. The game will end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.